Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, among the many beauty rituals in India, Ubtan is one of the most effective and commonly seen skincare remedy. Growing up, our worlds have been filled with homemade remedies and Ayurvedic practices that has been answering many of the beauty and skincare woes for years now. And Ubtan is a magical remedy that pampers your skin, leaving it rejuvenated and works wonders for your skin. And in today's video, I'll be talking about Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan for hyperpigmentation, dark spots and a radiant skin. Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan for dark spots, hyperpigmentation and a radiant skin is a centuries-old cultural beauty ritual formulated with most effective Ayurvedic recipes like Kesar, orange peel, rose and Haldi, that is turmeric, that gives you a rejuvenated and glowing skin and also helps you to achieve your skin goals. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan in brief. I'm going to talk about its ingredients and the benefits of it. I'm also going to show you how to use this product. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Now let us talk about the packaging. Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan comes in a plastic tub packaging like this. On the top of it, it has a golden color tin screw cap. The packaging is very sturdy. At the back, you will see that this Ubtan comes with the goodness of turmeric, saffron, rose petals and orange peel, which is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which help in treating an array of skin concerns. The net quantity of this product is 40 grams. The price of this product is rupees 399 and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. Now this comes in two size variants. One is of 40 grams and the other is of 75 grams, and the price of 75 grams is rupees 599. Inside of this has a powdered Ubtan which you have to mix it up with water or with milk to make it a face Ubtan and apply it on your face. And talking about the smell, this smells of Ayurvedic ingredients but not something that you cannot take. Mostly it smells like orange peel and turmeric, and you will love it. Now let me talk about the main ingredients of Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan. It has turmeric. The reviving components of turmeric helps add luster to your skin while reducing hyperpigmentation, scars and discoloration. With antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, this face mask accelerates the process of healing and rejuvenation of the skin. This face mask has saffron. Now, saffron is known for imparting radiance to your skin. It has skin firming and skin tightening properties. Saffron is widely known for blood circulation and preventing the premature signs of aging. Now, this Ubtan has rose petal. Now, rose petals are a treasure trove of minerals and oxidants that helps in illuminating the skin. This has orange peel. Now, orange peel undoubtedly is beneficial for clarifying, deep cleansing and soothing your skin without stripping off its natural oils. Now, apart from the goodness of Haldi, that is turmeric, saffron, orange peel and rose, it also has the goodness of Neem. Now, Neem has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This has methi, which fights against the free radicals of your skin. This has soft, which improves the skin's texture. It has lemon peel, which is highly beneficial for pigmentation and dark spots. This has coconut, which has skin nourishing properties. This has pistachio, which helps in skin's elasticity. This has almond, which has skin moisturizing properties. This Ubtan has groundnut. Now, groundnut also fights free radicals and inflammation. Now let me show you how to use this product. This Ubtan with the goodness of Kesar, orange peel, rose and Haldi can be activated with water or raw milk. I usually prefer the latter.
Upon activating, it has a gritty texture which makes it act as a scrub and marks too. Now I've already cleansed my face with a mild cleanser, and now I'll be applying this Ubtan all over my face and neck. Now this indulgent and deeply reparative treatment accelerates healing and wards off signs of aging. It also claims to improve complexion, pigmentation and wrinkles. After letting it sit for 20 minutes, I gently scrub this off. Post washing, look at it. It really gives a very healthy and a radiant look to my skin.
So my final verdict on Mother Sparsh Turmeric Healing Face Ubtan for hyperpigmentation, dark spots and a radiant skin is that it definitely targets the dark spots and pigmentation that unveils and restores the skin's natural radiance. This takes away the dead skin cells and energizes your skin and definitely improves the overall skin's texture and skin tone. So loves, when used regularly, this Ubtan with the goodness of turmeric, saffron, rose and orange peel definitely tightens your pore, gives you a youthful and radiant look, and it also helps in tan removal. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.